So if you are a Sparkar creator and you are making these filters which are not actually reaching more people, so it's not your fault. It's actually an optimization of the filter. So I'm gonna give you these 5 ways to actually make your filters reach more people. So let's hop to the laptop. Hey guys, so we're gonna start with this main problem of to actually reach more people on Instagram and Facebook with your filters, because many person or many people do it wrong because of few things that they miss out, and actually it doesn't happening that to reach more people like 100k or a million people to on by your filter. So I'm gonna open a project that I made for you all guys. So let's open this project. So you can see this project. This is a spider web on the face. So let me come live for you all guys. Okay, so I'm live. You can see there is a spider web, and what I'm gonna actually do, if you can comment on the comment. So I'm gonna actually make a tutorial to actually show you how I made this, and also gonna show you that how to actually figure it out that the texture would actually fit on your face. So comment down below if you want this tutorial. So let's just get started with the first problem, which we all do is just go to the project and edit projects. And the first thing is that we do not actually select platforms. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna select the platform of Facebook and Instagram media library. So if you actually upload on Instagram media, you can actually select the Instagram media library, and also Facebook. And actually also one more thing, to actually upload the on it on Facebook as well as on Instagram, that will actually give you more reach, means that will actually make that, of course, will give you more reach. So we're gonna actually switch. I'm gonna show you that it works on Instagram media library, as you can see. Okay, it's working on people, right? So let me shift back. Okay, let me come live. So this is the one problem, and the second is to actually add instruction, but it would actually work here, but still I'm gonna show you all guys kind of face, but it's not gonna work out here because actually I am doing this Instagram media. I'm actually publishing it on Instagram media library, so like I can use many of features of patch editor. So let me just delete it, but also remember to actually add this instructions, because it will help you to actually people would know what is about it. So this few things that I just wanted to share. And the next thing is actually comes on uploading it. So uploading it. So I always recommend to see the iOS, Android, and older Android, because it should have been supporting at all the forms, and mostly older Android because people like mostly on these underprivileged areas uses older Android, so people could actually use your filters there also. So always check these things also, that you are actually enabled to see it on all devices. And just if you are done, just export the file. Do not actually upload it. So I recommend to export. Okay, so after exporting that thing, so you wanna actually upload it. So I'm gonna show it you on the Facebook, but the same thing actually applied on the Instagram, or a bit of changes, but we're gonna actually upload it on Facebook. So the Facebook is on, but actually please, this is a humble request to actually upload it on the both platforms, because it makes more people to actually reach. So what I'm gonna do is to actually upload this file and give a unique name, which is spider web face. Okay, and choose a png. Okay, so I actually made this, actually my camera died so I made these things. And okay, and also the video. So please emphasize on the video and also the image, because I do not have time, so I actually did it. But always emphasize on this video and thing, because it actually brings on many things on table. So after doing this, the most thing of here is on Facebook, so is to actually describe it. So instruction for the review is to for 300 words you get. So I'm gonna actually describe it to the face effect, because many people actually left it and they do not actually emphasize on it. I don't know why. Please write it, because I don't think it just take 2 minutes to actually do it. The face effect of Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man web on the face. Okay. So that's it. You can write it more. I guess writing it more would actually enable you to reach more people on thing. So this is just for Facebook. I think you don't need to do many things for Facebook. I just would submit it. I'm sorry, I just wanna select this. It's my public page. So that's it. You are done out here, and just submit it. But on Facebook, what happens that you can't reach more people, just your followers or just people that you know. That's it. But what happens on Instagram that you actually reach more people. So reach more people because the Instagram actually enables people to actually search your effects and stuff. So what we're gonna actually do is to actually show you also in Instagram, because Instagram has more things to actually describe. So just let it upload, and I'm gonna actually come back and show you on Instagram. So publish the effect on Facebook personal Instagram. And so hey guys, so we are on the Instagram right now. So I'm gonna also show you on the Instagram as I said. So I'm gonna select my spider face web. I'm gonna give the unique name, which was spider web face. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the category. So the category is most important. Please select the 4 that you actually got, and because it of course it enables you to reach more people. And just select the selfies, I guess, color and light. Sorry, it's not world layer. Appearances and random camera styles. Just select the 4 that you actually need, and then jump to keywords. And this is really important. Let me just upload the video and then actually come to the keywords, because many people just mess it up. So I'm done out here. So I'm gonna come back to the keywords, which is really important. This 20 keywords will define that you are gonna reach more people or gonna reach more less people. And also so we are done out here, and this 20 keywords will actually define your user. So be relevant. Like I just typed spider, like for my this name that I'm giving it, one keyword is this. So I'm gonna give this keyword. That's because my SEO things is because I learned SEO, that I know these things. Just not definitive spider or spider face. And what we're gonna do is to actually use a SEO tool which is known as Oversuggest. And what we're gonna do is to actually search more keywords like this and to generate more traffic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type spider face. Okay, and we're gonna see how many people actually search and relevant more keywords, because it's the easiest thing that I do and actually get more keyword ideas. Please actually type out 20 out of 20 of them, because it's really important. So it's searching. Before that, we can also write this Sparkar So it gave us a chart, and that shows that there are this type of people actually. This is how that people actually searching it, and when you like few, so actually just okay, Facebook tattoo, spider face tattoo. I saw one mask, yeah, okay, spider mask, spider mask, and I'm gonna actually fill it and would come once more to actually you guys to actually the last thing to actually share the effect at everywhere, and I'm gonna come back to you all guys. So as you can see that I am done, and I actually uploaded the keywords and also the categories, so I am actually reachable on Instagram right now, and also as soon as possible, and actually uploaded a bit of review. So what I'm gonna do is that I submit it and wait for it actually get submitted, and we would actually jump to actually sharing it. So what the last thing that I actually made, that I would actually share it. So I'm gonna actually discuss about all the groups, all the Reddit, all the forums that you can actually share, so you can actually get more reach and impression. So this is the last part, and this is the most really important part that I'm gonna discuss about. So let's do it. So if you're actually following up now, you know that we actually uploaded our Instagram filter, and now I'm gonna actually talk about the most important part, which is the last part, which is sharing. So for me, actually sharing is the most important part. I actually share my videos, I share my filters across all platforms. But yeah, humble sharing is also required. Just do not just over share. So I actually recommend the Sparkar community, which is the most best community I saw, which is on Facebook. And here you can actually publish every other thing, and they actually are really responsive to it. And the next is the Reddit, and this is really important because Reddit is just mind-boggling because people are here are most interactive people, and if not, you would actually get some of amount of traffic which would actually satisfy you. And the newest is the forum, which is the Spark AR forum, where you can actually upload it. And as you would get the bit of result upon your Instagram follower and Facebook page, because you would be sharing it. The also the number one is LinkedIn, because LinkedIn would actually enable, because I, as a LinkedIn person, if you see my LinkedIn, which is LinkedIn Shashwat.Singh. So if you see my LinkedIn, where I share my effects, and it actually get reach, but it doesn't get so much engagement, but it get reach because it's a new platform which is coming upon. And so also share it on LinkedIn if you have, because it's the most important part, because here you only just generate the businesses, right? So as you can see that I can show you activities. Yes. Okay. So here you can see one of my effect, which is the kites one. You can go on my Instagram and you can see this. And this was one effect. And I share more effects like this on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn generated me business for this. And just this 4 or 5 platforms that you can actually share to get most engagement at your. Hey guys, so I'm speaking from this Spark software to you all guys. So we're gonna actually start by recapping it. So the first one was to actually create it for all the platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and media library, and also to share on the Facebook, Instagram. The next was all to actually add instruction, but it doesn't work for me because I want to actually share on Instagram media library. So add instruction because people would actually know what your effect is. The third one is to actually optimize for your, so for your all devices, your older iOS and Android. The fourth was to actually research it on keywords. Use Uber Suggest keyword research tool to actually research more keywords and just fill off your keywords and categories because it's just needed, and also your instruction. The last was to actually share it on the platform Facebook, Sparkar communities, groups, forums. The most is the LinkedIn because LinkedIn gives you businesses. And at last, what I'm gonna actually tell you, if you want to actually learn more about Spark AR tutorials, so for now I'm actually publishing a website for which is creativemillion.com, where you can actually go and you can apply for Spark AR classes, and many other. There are video creation, there are graphic designing courses, there are much and much more we guys are actually publishing out there. So you can actually join our community, which is creativemedium.com. It's like Skillshare, but it's one-on-one conversation. We come live, we teach you guys, and that's great. And also check out my blog, which would be illusioneer.com, where I'm actually uploading this how to create this filter. And also let me know that you want this video to actually publish it. So see you on the next video.